Today we're making my lager veggie pie. This pie is a labour of love. It has 22 individual ingredients and takes 3 hours to make. If any vegetarian pie could take on the classic Kiwi meat pie, this is the one. The filling starts with caramelizing onions. Saute some button mushrooms in olive oil. And then reduce everything with a dark malty lager. It's a short crust pastry with tiny bits of aged cheddar that dissolve within the shell as it's baking, creating these beautiful pockets of melted golden cheese. This recipe takes a lot of time and effort, but it's effort well spent. I really hope that vegetarians and meat eaters alike can enjoy making and eating this pie. For the full recipe, you can go to my website, wholesomebacon.com.